This is the gravest threat to European security and stability since the end of the Cold War. First, because of its scale, with one of the largest movements of troops for many decades. Second, because of the stakes, the freedom of 45 million people and their right to make their own choice. And third, because this crisis is right on NATO's border. NATO's clear position has been to condemn Russia's military actions in Ukraine, to stand firmly in support of the government in Kiev, and to make clear that President Putin's decisions to escalate the situation have consequences. As a first step, we have suspended joint planning for a maritime escort mission for the destruction of serious chemical weapons. This would have been the first joint operation of the NATO-Russia Council.